Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting incognito mode immediately. Open Chrome and use Ctrl+Shift+N or +Shift+N to launch a private window. On mobile, tap the three-dot menu and choose New Incognito tab. Once done, know why. This creates a separate session that doesn't store browsing history or cookies on your device. Make sure Chrome is updated so behavior matches expectations. You don't need settings changes to begin. Open the window and continue with the sites you want to browse privately. Now you manage how the session behaves. You'll notice extensions are off by default. Enable specific ones only if you trust them, because they can record activity. If you sign into Google or other accounts, you create an active session that lasts until you close the window, so sign out manually if needed. Downloads and bookmarks always remain on your device. They aren't erased when the window closes. Once done browsing, close the incognito window to clear cookies and session storage. To finish, close every incognito window. Doing so removes cookies and site data from that session. If something persists or history shows up elsewhere, make sure you weren't signed in with Chrome Sync. Synced activity can appear across devices. Also check that a trusted extension wasn't enabled in incognito or that you didn't save bookmarks or downloads you expected removed. If problems continue, disable extensions and sign out of accounts. Then reopen a fresh incognito window and test again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.